everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. So Jen, where are we? What are we doing now?
Okay, like we promised, we are at the Vinoy in downtown St. Pete. It's a historic landmarked hotel. It's amazing. We always love coming here, but this is Joe's first time actually staying here.
Yes, yeah.
I got to stay here before, about a year and a half ago, maybe almost 2 years ago actually, for my birthday.
Yeah, so we've enjoyed coming. We stop and get something to eat or drink here because it's right, I don't want to say in the heart of downtown St. Pete, but it is in downtown St. Pete, walking distance from where we were staying at the Hyatt, walking distance from Beach Drive, pretty much right off of Beach Drive, where you have all sorts of different cool little boutique restaurants and just shops, bars, yeah. So yeah, it's very, very cool. It's right on the marina, so you have all of these boats here, right off of Tampa Bay.
And it's really close to the St. Pete airport.
Yes,
the tiny little airport.
Yes, the small Albert Woodhead
Yes.
airport. So you can see the planes coming down. It's not walking distance from that little airport. That's a private airstrip. But you do have walking distance from the pier, the new shopping center that opened. So we are going to our goal is to do what we can for doing a walking tour to show you some of the downtown St. Pete stuff, but it is going to rain the next couple of days, so we'll see what we can actually squeeze in.
It's supposed to like thunderstorm and hail.
Yeah, we've been very lucky.
See what we can do.
We've been very lucky on our trips. We've had great weather, but well, we'll see what's going to happen. But for now, we're at the hotel. We're going to show you around, give you a room tour, all that good fun stuff that we normally do.
Yes,
so,
yes.
You ready?
I am.
Let's go.
All right. Hello. Welcome to your resort room for the next 2 days.
So, take us on a tour, Jen.
Okay, so we are in room 378 at the Vinoy Resort in downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. So you walk in and you're in your little entryway, and you go to the right, and you've got this beautiful bathroom. Double sinks, lots of space and towels. A huge walk-in shower. And then the pooper.
Jennifer. Oh my Lord. I don't even know what to say about that.
Well, you know. So let's see what's in here. Oh, just a really big closet. And it's painted pink.
Just
with
like
an
the
ironing
hotel.
board, iron, hangers, safe.
Okay.
Well, if you wanted to move in, you'd have plenty of closet space. And then to your left of the entryway, you've got a full-length mirror so you can check yourself.
Check yourself.
Make sure you look cute in the morning. Nice TV, bottled waters, Keurig. Oh, we've got some green tea, some Earl Grey, some breakfast blend, creamers, sugars, a lot of storage. Luggage rack already set up for us, and balcony number 1. Let's see.
Trying to figure out the curtains.
Huh. There we go. I figured it out. So here's your balcony number 1. I don't think we need to go out there.
Yes, we do. Let's go.
We'll go out to balcony number 2.
No, let's go out to balcony number 1 as well. Sure.
Oh. Okay, so you get a view of the courtyard. Nothing fancy.
Oh, it's pretty fancy.
I mean, it's pretty.
It's very pretty. Are you kidding? We're on the 3rd floor, so we're not so high that we get vertigo, but
That's okay.
Quite nice, actually. Quite lovely.
Okay, then we'll go back in. But now my feet feel like grimy.
So the room itself
Is really nicely sized. Got a nice king bed, a nightstand to the right with some artwork, clock, and then a little sitting area. Let's see how comfy this chair is. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's comfy and it swivels. It swivels. And then you've got a nice long desk if you need to, I don't know, edit your YouTube vlogs, do some paperwork, do some e-learning at home. But now, the best part of this room is balcony number 2. Dun 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 dun. The beautiful Tampa Bay. Oh! Oh, my head's gonna pop off my head. Wow, this is gorgeous.
So right across the way here is Paul's Landing, and we actually shot a video here last October. We were sitting right out there. We had a couple drinks and an appetizer. Did a live update from here before. Now we're actually staying in the hotel, and here is the view. So you have the just the bay here for boat docks, and then out in the distance is Tampa Bay proper.
Yes. Wow. And then if you pan right again, you've got downtown St. Pete. Ooh.
So you happy with the room?
Oh, it's beautiful. Wait till you sleep in the bed tonight. Seriously, it's the best bed I've ever slept in. We do a lot of hotel stays, so that's saying a lot.
All right.
It's a little windy. I'm afraid my hat's gonna fall off and I'll never see it again.
It is a little windy today. We got some rain
Yikes.
coming in, so yeah, it's wind's picking up a little.
So there's no current housekeeping at the Vinoy, but we went down to the front desk just to ask for some more towels and some bath products, and they replaced all the towels with fresh towels.
Everything.
Everything. And gave us a whole bag of Ave N.E products.
Yeah, that is one of the things we didn't mention about the products.
It's the good stuff.
Yeah, this rosemary mint, especially the shampoo, smells really good.
Yeah, that was something I was not expecting.
Yeah.
So
And they made the bed as well.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
That was so nice.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't expecting that. So it
No.
used to be these simple little things that you took for granted that are no longer. And when you get it, it's like, it's kind of nice. They made our bed. How cool is that?
I know.
Yeah.
Because we totally forgot. Usually, without the housekeeping, we make the bed just so the room looks at least somewhat presentable when we come back after the day. So that was really nice.
Yeah, it was. So again, just wanted to mention the products. These Ave N.E products are really nice. The shampoo, body wash, conditioner.
Mm-hmm.
Quite lovely, I say.
I say so too.
Quite lovely.
It's very humid today because of the rain.
Yeah.
Just want to fix part of my hair.
All right.